I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Sisig Teriyaki. But I know I will not be having a sisig nor a teriyaki. I will be enjoying their new offerings. So the first one is their Chikala. Oh, it's their Chicharon Kawali. Okay, and the second one would be their GShwarm Garlic Toum. So I think this is the sauce for the shawarma. And lastly, I will be having their Sisig Teriyaki Shwarm Rice. Okay, and yes, it is really their shawarma rice. Perfect. As I've been craving for shawarma for quite some time, kiwadyo ko kaog shawarma all throughout the ECQ. Okay, let's open this special vinegar for the chikala. And let me cut this into pieces as I am having my braces. Sa mga wala kayo na ako'y brackets, so I have to cut it into smaller portion para dili matangtang ang ako ang brackets. You cannot hear it, pero grabe gid siya ka-crunchy. You can have this chikala for only 200 pesos per tub, which is around 320 grams. And you can have the Sisig Teriyaki Shawarma Rice for only 85 pesos. And this GShwarm Garlic Toum, which is 100 pesos per 150 ml of bottle. To order, just message their official Facebook page, and orders can be delivered or pick up. For pickups, you may visit Sisig Teriyaki Main across USA Main, or their Sisig Teriyaki Easy Cup Express across Sacred Heart Hospital in Southwestern University. And now, let's give this a try with their special vinegar. And really obvious no nga hangjud kay siya kay gisingot jud ko diretso. Kay ganina na ko ni kaon pag abli jud dayon nako. It is really crunchy and juicy siya at the same time. So ayan ako ginkibe. And now let's try the Sisig Teriyaki Shawarma Rice. And medyo siksik galit jud kay siya nga maragalisod ko og mix. Okay, let's give it a try. And murag lami jud siya. Butangan daw nato og chikala be para mas perfect. Oh, that is heaven. See, perfect pairs niya after all. And now let's try this GShwarm Garlic Toum. Be, kung lami ba gyud ni siya nga sauce. Yes, it is really a good shawarma sauce. Ibutang sa rice, well, murag makahurot jud ka og rice ani. Kanang sauce pa lang ulam na. So now we know that Chicharon Kawali can go best with a shawarma rice plus tons of shawarma sauce. Perfect combo gid silang tulo after all. And don't forget to brush your teeth after eating, and follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay safe and just keep smiling.